Creative Fabrica has thousands of fonts, graphics and SVGs and plenty of other stuff, and you don't need a subscription to get them. In this video, I'll show you how to grab free assets from Creative Fabrica and use them inside Photopea to build a real design from scratch. So here we go. This is Creative Fabrica's homepage, and we don't care about most of this stuff here. We care about this option, downloadable assets. Click on it. Then click on this one, Freebies. This is the section that we care about right now. Once you are in the Freebies page, you can filter by fonts, SVGs, graphics, whatever you want to search for. Now, unfortunately, Creative Fabrica does not search by whether something is free or not. So you're going to have to do some kind of legwork here. So when you're browsing the freebies section, whenever something catches your eye or you like it, just click it, download it immediately so that you will have it there with you. And soon you will build your own library of free assets that you own and can use for any project that you want. Now, something else I want to show you is this page. It's called the daily gifts. As the name says, they put here daily gifts. They are free. You can just download it and keep it and use it forever. So make sure you, from time to time, you check this page out and download whatever you find so that you can keep it with you and you can download it in your PC and use it whenever you want. So that after some time, you will have great stuff. Just like I just downloaded this, now I own it forever to use whenever I want. Now let me show you what I mean. I found this font a few days ago on while I was browsing Creative Fabrica. It's called Mona Flower Font, and I downloaded this font. I also found this butterfly SVG like 2 days ago, which I really liked. I also downloaded it. Now, just in case you didn't know about the download, this is not the download button. This is the download button. See, you just click it and it immediately will download to your PC. It might show you something about the trial. Just click X and here it is. Please don't forget to extract the files after you download them. I know they look like they don't need extracting. Just right click on it, extract. Let me show you what I mean. Let's create a design together using only the free assets that I've just shown you from Creative Fabrica. Let's open a new project. Now, once I have my new project, I want to make a circle using the ellipse tool. Click Shift so you can make a perfectly round circle. So let's use the color overlay to change the color of this circle. Double click it, color overlay. I already have the hex code color. Here it is. Now let's just import the beautiful butterfly that we have got already. Here it is. Just resize it. And then just simply let's add the text. Just change the color for the text. Here is my text with the same font that I've already imported from Creative Fabrica. I have another video dedicated for fonts. You can watch that video to learn all about font. And this was just a quick way to show you that you don't need to pay money to make good designs. And I'm sure plenty of you have better options or better ways to make this look better. I just wanted to share with you that you don't need to always pay for subscriptions. By the way, if you want to take your Photopea skills further, I put together a free guide. It's packed with tips, shortcuts, and highly recommended sites, and most of them are completely free. I also included direct links to every site in the guide so you can check them out easily. Just click the link in the description to grab the free guide. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.